So here is the lobby to the Wilderness Lodge from the 6th floor balcony. Yeah, I came back, I took a nap, I needed it, I was tired, my legs hurt, I'm refreshed, recharged. I'm gonna see what trouble we can get into. I'm heading back to the boardwalk. And hopefully to meet up with some friends. So, for my first stop of the evening, I thought I'd come down to Epcot. And where do I... Nope, there's the entrance down there. I thought I'd come over here and grab something to eat. So I keep seeing people with these Orangeburg sippers, and I'm thinking, where are they? I need to find this Orangeburg sipper. Yeah. Totally want to get me an Orangeburg sipper. What is up with my hair? Bit of bed hair. So here at the Citrus Blossom, this is where you can find this orange cream slushy served in a souvenir Orangeburg sipper cup. So I'm gonna get my Orangeburg sipper cup. They also have lobster tail. Oh my. Oh, this all sounds good. He is just ridiculously cute. I mean, look at that face. He's so innocent looking. So I decided to go with the lobster tail. And let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh, that is really good. The sauce is very creamy. A little bit tangy. Very, very good. So there's a new traffic pattern here at the International Gateway entrance. Looks like they have, they take you down here to scan your bands. Definitely getting ready for, and they've got most of it closed off as we get ready for the Skyliner to open. Back over to the boardwalk. Nice, it is a nice evening. Nice temperature. Nice breeze going. Oh, just feels really good. Boats are going. I just love the lights off the water. It's such a nice view. It's a nice area. Probably one of my favorites because it's a lot quieter than Disney Springs. Definitely like it here. Hey guys, it's Mr. Porg. Mr. Porg is back. Yay! Had him with me. Just, you know, he's got these short little legs, so he has trouble keeping up. So if I don't carry him, you know, way to go, Mr. Porg.
You know what I will show you as a trick? How about this one? Here's a over the hand. Okay, wait, here's a double hand. Wow. I know, twice as hard. Oh, here's another cool trick. Arm does a leg. Behind the back. Oh, here's a 1, 2, and oh! One hand. He's not trying to stop. Here's a part of the trick I think I remember. I think it's going to go 1 and 2 and... Oh! Big round of applause for Colin.
Wow.
That was very impressive. You know, here's the last one. It's in the same spot right over here, okay?
Is that one of the bowling?
Big round of applause for Colin. was very, very good. Thank you. You know what? I will show you a couple tricks while up here. Check it out. Here's apples. Kylie, where are you going? Oh, go back to your spot. Do we want to see it under the leg?
Yeah.
What's wrong with me? You know what? I'll do it anyway.
Oh.
Please remember, do not try anything you see here at home, okay? Yeah, go to your friend's house. Grandma's house works too. But that's a personal experience.
Mr. Porg. What are you doing, Mr. Porg? So Mr. Porg and I came out to the Abracadabar when we ran into our friends Pendaflow. So we're gonna hang out for a bit and have some drinks, maybe try some of these plates. And yeah. So I got the charcuterie plate. Charcuter something. And we also got the Abra fries. Oh, this all looks amazing. Let's try the fry.
I know.
Garlic and Parmesan, and it's so good. Don't give me that look. So these are house-made olives. I really like olives, so they're all right. More of a mild olive flavor than I'm used to. This is a house-made pickle. Oh, I got some meat on there too. Let's try the meat. Really good with the pickle juice on it. All right, pickles. They're not so much. Oh, wow, those are a bit spicy. Good. More of the, like a sweet pickle kind of thing. I can't think of what you call them. Must be good. I just ate them all. So this mozzarella ball. Yeah. And I had the tomato mozzarella plate last night. That was really good. So we'll see. It's good. I mean, I love mozzarella. I think I liked it better from the tomato plate because the vinaigrette they put on the tomatoes was excellent. It was really good. This is the prosciutto. That's really good. That's really good. The house-made chips. That's really good. Everything on that plate is excellent. Very good. Well, that's going to be a night. I am so tired. It was a long day at Animal Kingdom. Probably going to be a long vlog at the Animal Kingdom. This one's probably going to be a bit shorter. Didn't do too much. Went to Epcot. I got my Orange Bird sipper. Great day. Got to hang out with Pendaflow. Always good to see them. Be sure to check out their channel, and I'll throw their details in the description. And if I can figure out the box, I'll throw up a box. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to do all the things below, and good night.